One of the best ways to find new customers and grow your online business is pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, is a powerful form of search engine marketing. PPC ads are commonly seen in the top positions of search results on Google, Bing, and Yahoo. They target customers who make online searches using specific keywords. Some businesses skip PPC because they believe shoppers ignore paid advertising, but recent studies have shown that the top 3 paid spots on Google receive 46% of the page clicks. In other words, skipping out on PPC means giving up half of your potential impression share. But PPC campaigns lead to more than just clicks. They generate revenue. Businesses make, on average, $3 in revenue for every $1.60 they spend on pay-per-click ads. PPC also provides invaluable business data, including the number of clicks per ad, the amount of people viewing them, and the number of sales generated by an individual ad or keyword. This information allows businesses to continually improve their campaigns for even better results over time. You can manage your own PPC account by researching keywords, analyzing your campaigns, managing your bids, and writing your own copy. Or if you don't have time to educate yourself in those areas, you can hire an agency that specializes in e-commerce PPC. Volusion has a team of in-house PPC professionals dedicated to driving e-commerce results. For more information, call 1-888-750-3996 or fill out the form below to talk to a marketing advisor today.